does it focus so much better when I'm sitting back? This app is so fucking slow. Ugh. Hello, welcome. It's been a while. I say that every time. I'm not the most consistent uploader. But I've really been enjoying editing video at the minute, and I really want to get back into YouTube. We're trying to think of some video ideas that weren't just makeup. I do have makeup videos planned, I do love makeup, I just wanted to do something a little bit different. I've actually really been enjoying watching vlogs rather than like tutorials. Obviously everyone's different, it's just kind of what I've been enjoying. I think I really like watching old vlogs and seeing people out in the world. It feels a bit weird, like watching people just go to coffee shops and events, and I'm kind of living my life vicariously through YouTubers from 2 years ago. I've been really enjoying vlogs. I definitely didn't want to start like weekly vlogging my life. My life's not that interesting anyway, especially in lockdown. The one thing that I love doing that has really kept me sane in lockdown is content creating for Instagram. Basically just being a posy bitch, doing my makeup, playing with fashion, all that fun stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd vlog my afternoon, shooting content, editing, all that stuff. I really like watching kind of behind the scenes of other people, how they create their stuff, getting ideas of editing, equipment, stuff like that. I'm nosy, I like watching other people do it, so I thought maybe I would let you watch me do it. Anyway, so I've done my makeup and hair. Again, a makeup video is coming this week, hopefully. I've got the house to myself today and tomorrow. Matty's on placement, he's a student paramedic. So he's not here, so I've got the whole flat to myself. So makeup's done, hair's done. I was up till about 5 o'clock this morning, like, thinking about how the world's going to be reopening soon. I'm excited, but also scared. What do I want to do with my life? All that fun stuff. So my options really in that situation were to reach for the hair dye or for the scissors. I went with the latter. I now have a fringe. I mean, I already had a fringe, but it's a fringier fringe. Did I do a good job? I don't know. But we're here. Anyway. Can you tell I've not had human contact in months? Like, this is the most I've chatted to someone other than Matty. Whew. Yes, first of all, I'm going to go through some of just the equipment I'm going to use, and then we'll look at outfit choices, because actually this looks kind of cute. We might just stick with this, but this was just my baggy t-shirt for the day. For equipment, I don't have a vlogging camera, so the camera that I'm doing this on I will obviously use to take the photos. There's going to be some back and forwards between my phone and my actual camera. Sorry, not a professional, just a skint bartender on furlough. So I'll show you the camera once that's set up. The main thing that I think anyone really needs is a ring light. If you're going to invest in anything, you don't even need a proper camera, use your phone. But if you're going to invest in anything for taking photos, you want a ring light. It's just great for making your makeup stand out more, and more importantly, if you're like me and you don't wake up until the sun is about to set, you still got decent lighting without relying on natural light. Then lenses, I'm currently using a 35mm lens. I probably will stick with that, but because I really do quite like my makeup today and I want some close-ups, I've got my 50mm, probably will use that. And then also I've got remotes. This just plugs into the camera and then I take with this. I also have the Canon app on my phone, which is great if you don't already have it. You can like literally see what you're doing as you're posing and then take like that. You can adjust all the settings and everything. For some reason it does not work with my 35mm lens. I don't know if it's because it's like not a proper Canon lens. Yeah, it doesn't work. So I've got these bad boys. Oh, and then added a little extra, I've been quite enjoying using a speed light recently. It really picks up on like the shimmers and the bright colours in my makeup and makes my highlight look incredible. However, I'm not a professional. I haven't got a f***ing clue what I'm doing with this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, I'm getting the hang of it, and it does look really good when used right. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and let's go to my wardrobe and decide on outfits. I actually got some really fun deliveries today, so maybe we could make use of these. First of all, I won an Instagram giveaway, which is really exciting. We'll give it a try on and see. But that'll look really cool with my makeup today, actually. And then I also got a lovely PR package from Bad Spell Supply. I fucking love their t-shirts, they're so cool. Cool, like, graphic prints. I love matching my makeup to them. They always add to my makeup posts. I think I'm going to save them for another makeup look. I'm going to try that. It's literally the worst lens I could have used to film this. Anyway, the shape fits. I think it's really cute. Yeah, I think it's really cute. I tried it with a white bra and it actually looked really weird. I thought like the purposeful dark bra looked a lot better with it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. Oh, my hair looks really yellow in this light. Yeah, I need a toner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. Now we just need a location. Okay, so here is the setup. I've got my camera and the ring light. The camera is the Canon EOS 300D. No, 1300D. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. I've got my selfie stick taped to the back so that I can prop you up and you can see as we shoot. I've not even actually adjusted the height of this. It's basically just trial and error. Okay, I'm gonna swap this over because I want a bit of flash. I know it's not really necessary, but I just really like flash. There we go. This is the thing I hate about not being able to see what I'm shooting because I'm completely off center. Try again. Yay! Okay, I quite like that. Tip if you want poses where both hands are visible, learn to press this with your toe. Okay, now that I've got a decent amount of like face, shit, everything, I want to do some close-ups of the makeup. So I'm going to go and grab my other lens and the speed light, see what kind of lighting setup we can get. To be honest, my biggest kind of hack for all this is to just take hundreds, and some of them are going to work, surely, as long as you figured out the lighting and stuff. Especially because I can't see what I'm shooting from the other side. Generally all over the place. Yeah, I normally take about 200 per shoot and whittle it down to about 4 or 5. Quite like that lighting actually. Do a few like this. Lift it up slightly. A few like this, and then we'll try the speed light. Oh, they're all blurry. No. Yeah, we want me to focus on the eyes. So I'm gonna move this up here. It's probably about where they are. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but my phone ran out of storage and cut off. So I've set up the speed light, which is here. I really don't think you're supposed to use it like portrait, but I quite like it. So I'm going to try a few with it. Generally I like to just trial and error, take some, adjust settings, take some, adjust settings till I get what I like. So how did that work? Cool. Okay. Okay, so I've tried to film this bit like twice now. Why are my collarbones so red? What the fuck? Yeah. Oh, it's because I do this when I'm nervous. I've tried to film this bit like 3 times now, and my phone just keeps saying storage full and deleting whatever I film. So I've just set up the speed light. I've taken a test shot with it. Yeah, so the difference between not having the speed light, which is this quite harsh lighting, and then having the speed light, I just think the lighting's really nice and soft. It really makes my eyeshadow pop. Yeah, it's probably my favourite thing to use to take close-up images of my makeup. I'm going to do a few more of these now, but I'm conscious that my storage just keeps getting full and it keeps cutting out. So I'm probably just going to do the rest without filming it. Hello! I'm done shooting, which means bra off, hoodie on. I'm just uploading the photos now. Just uploading the photos now. It took 232. Oh my god, my screen's so dirty. Ew. Took 232. Obviously I'm not going to sit and like film myself going through them all. I'm going to whittle them all down and come back to you for the editing process. Okay, so now it's time for editing. I've whittled down my favourite 25 shots maybe. It's usually quite a bit less than that, but that's probably the most successful a shoot has gone in weeks. I think the lighting was just in my favour. There was quite a bit of natural light coming in. So yeah, there's quite a few photos that I like. What I will do is I will screen record what I'm doing so you can see. Okay, so I've imported them all into Lightroom, which is what I use mainly for editing. Make sure the brightness is right up on my phone, otherwise you can edit a photo, think it's perfect, go to post it, turn your brightness up and realise it looks ridiculous. I use the presets from Cherry Photo Club always. You'll know that if you follow me on Instagram. I'm obsessed with them. My feed would be nothing without those presets. I've got quite a lot of them, as you can see. It does take me a while to go through them all, but every photo is different, every photo looks different with different presets, so I do like to go through them all and decide what I will do now. Why am I not in focus? This camera. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick my favourite of the photos. Basically what I do is I just pick one that I really like, pick a preset that works with it, adjust it a little bit, and then copy and paste it onto them all. Swipe through. It's not until I've edited really that I realise, or that I see which pictures that I like. So then I'll decide on my favourites, adjust them accordingly. Yeah, go from there. So I am going to start with, let's see. I'm going to start with a close-up so that I can adjust what preset works with the makeup. If, like me, you've got a really old phone with shite storage, this is really time consuming because it takes ages for Lightroom to actually load everything up. Okay, I quite like coconut. I use coconut on pretty much everything at the minute, but I do like the grungier ones as well. Hate You is quite cool. Let's see. So far it is between coconut and Hate You. Oh, I like Joni. Hate You or Joni? I'm gonna go with Hate You. I think that's a good one to go with. It makes the makeup look pretty good, but we can adjust it. So now that I've settled on a preset, I'm gonna just go through the lighting. Maybe darken that slightly. I just kind of eyeball it. Slide the sliders and just see what I like the look of. I think that's all fine. It's kind of washes out the blues a little bit, so I'm just gonna, there we go, brighten them up. Oh, that looks pretty. I love this eyeshadow. And then just do the same with the reds. Effects, I like to just pop the grain up a tad on this one, and the clarity down slightly. I'm quite happy with that, you know? Check. If I want to adjust the skin tones, I'll go into orange, but I think they're fine. Pop that up a little bit. use the luminance to fix my yellow roots because I did my hair myself. Yeah, I'm happy with that, so I'm gonna copy it, select, and just paste it on everything we took. Take 4 of them. If you ever think you're vain, take a look through my Lightroom history. I promise I don't love myself that much. I mean, I do, but like, a good amount. You know, yeah, love yourself, love yourself. If you want to take 300 photos of yourself in a day, you can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna let all those paste, it takes a while. And then I think I'm gonna just go through, you get the gist of generally how I adjust and edit them. So I think I'm gonna go through, pick my favourites. I will come back and show you the final post. Okay, we're done. I'll try and show you the final, which is here. I'll probably end up fannying around with this order before I actually post. So I wanted to start on like a close-up image. I don't usually do that. I thought it would be quite a nice change for my feed. And then, oh, this lighting's awful. There we go. I'm gonna obviously write a caption, hashtags, tagging brands, all that shite. But yeah, I'm really actually quite pleased with how these turned out. I go through phases. I'll have a week where like everything I take is fire and I'm like, yes, like I've got this, smashing it, whatever. And then I'll just have weeks where everything I shoot is just shite, and it does, I know it's not really that important, but it just kind of get me down a bit. Yeah, it does kind of get me down a bit, especially because I do this, I don't want to say as an escape, that sounds really naff, but yeah, an escape. I think I would have gone mad in lockdown if I wasn't doing this. It's a lot of fun. I love being creative, I love fashion, I love makeup, I love organising shoots. The point of what I was saying is I'm pleased with how today turned out because it's the first shoot I've done in probably about a week that I thought, you know what, I'm happy with these. Bye. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for spending the day shooting with me. I really enjoyed it, this was fun. Let me know any suggestions for any other videos, makeup, fashion, more creation-based videos, whatever you like. Please leave me a comment, like, subscribe, all of that. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!